Let's be real. How much are you really earning as a personal trainer? Are you struggling to get clients in a saturated market? Everybody is talking about the explosive benefits of whole-body EMS training, but the industry is flooded with average coaches who only know how to press a button. What if we told you there's a way to instantly double your value, eliminate client doubt, and command premium pricing? Calling all future WB-EMS coaches. Power Pulse EMS training in collaboration with WIEMSPRO USA isn't just offering training, we're offering the master key to elite success. This is your invitation to stop competing on price and start dominating the market. We're talking about the game-changing exclusive training path, the WIEMSPRO Revolution Pro Suit, Practical Application Mastery. Are you ready to move beyond simply operating an EMS machine? To truly master the science of customization, client management, and business excellence? The WIEMSPRO Revolution Pro Suit is a game changer, but the technology is only as powerful as the person controlling it. We invite you to step into the WIEMSPRO Revolution Pro Suit, Practical Application Mastery, a tiered training path designed to transition you from a competent operator to an elite master-level EMS coach. Our commitment to excellence is organized into 3 powerful tiers. Level 1, or Silver, establishes your foundational competence. This 20-hour curriculum focuses on safe operation and fundamental application. You'll achieve operational fluency, confidently setting up and troubleshooting the suit, and gain hands-on experience coaching your first 20 clients. You earn your certificate of competency. Level 2, or Gold, is where you transition to an expert in customization. Over 60 hours, you'll dive into advanced programming, learning to manipulate variables like frequency and impulse width to design goal-specific sessions. You'll master contraindication and modification mastery, ensuring you can expertly adapt sessions for clients with specialized needs. This is the Certificate of Excellence. Finally, Level 3, or Platinum, establishes you as an industry leader, the Master EMS Coach. The 100-hour commitment unlocks specialized protocol mastery, including elite athletic performance and post-rehabilitation. You receive personal one-on-one mentorship and a dedicated business systems acumen workshop. This comprehensive, practical training moves far beyond textbook knowledge. We focus on the art of application and the science of customization to truly set you apart. At the Silver level, you establish your safe and professional foundation. You'll achieve operational fluency for every session and execute your first 20 sessions with confidence. The Gold level is your transformation into a customization expert. You will confidently design programs for hypertrophy, endurance, and recovery, while skillfully adapting sessions for clients with common injuries, maximizing benefit while mitigating risk. The Platinum level signifies that you are an industry leader. You will unlock the highest levels of programming, serving premium niche markets like elite athletes. Crucially, you'll participate in a dedicated workshop focused on profitable business integration, covering pricing, marketing, and client conversion. This is not just a certification, it's a commitment to excellence. The 100-hour commitment is the final step in establishing you as the most skilled and reliable EMS professional in the market. All training is held at our premier studio in Costa Mesa, California. Your investment into your elite future begins at $995 for Silver, $1,995 for Gold, and $3,995 for the Master Platinum level. Are you ready to master the Revolution Pro Suit and establish your brand as an elite WIEMPRO EMS coach? Visit our website to review the full curriculum and secure your spot today.